You won't believe how Fortuna Finance has evolved in 2026. Most people assume finance apps are just for tracking spending, but Fortuna takes a smarter approach. It helps you automate savings, track financial goals, and manage money efficiently. The app lets you set multiple goals, such as building an emergency fund, paying down debt, or saving for big purchases. Fortuna then automatically determines how much to save and when, based on your income and spending habits. This automated system ensures consistent progress without constant monitoring. Over time, these small, regular contributions can grow surprisingly fast. Fortune also provides spending insights and alerts. It analyzes your transactions and upcoming bills, then highlights areas where you could adjust spending to boost savings. Most people underestimate how valuable this proactive guidance is. Catching small inefficiencies early can save hundreds each year. Security is a priority. Fortuna uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and keeps your money in your own accounts. Customer support is available through chat and email for quick assistance. Limitations: the app does not offer full banking services or investment options. It focuses solely on automated saving and smart money management. But if your goal is to improve financial habits and make saving effortless, Fortuna is worth considering. So, is Fortuna Finance app worth it in 2026? Definitely, especially for anyone looking for an intelligent, automated way to manage and grow their money. Subscribe to stay updated on the best financial apps for smarter money management.